This is a video review for SkyBuilder. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can get video reviews of all parts of SkyBuilder, bonuses for new SkyBuilder customers, and a special webinar called SkyBuilder Special Preview and Mobile App Training. All you have to do is visit the website for all the videos and bonuses, www.skybuildervideoreview.com. So this is a full in-depth review of SkyBuilder Cloud, which is one of the softwares in SkyBuilder to build niche apps very quickly and easily. It's amazingly powerful software. So what you do is you come here and you go to SkyBuilder Cloud, you click launch, and it will launch it in a new window. So you've got your app dashboard, right? So here's my app, my SkyBuilder app. So here's one I created earlier. I just named it after myself. So if you want to create a new app, it's very simple. You click create new app. Your Apple profile you've got to set up. So if you're going to be launching apps to the Apple Store, you need to go and register for a developer account there, and then you just follow the instructions within SkyBuilder to actually set up your Apple profile. So your developer details, your distribution certificate, you configure them here. Very easy instructions to go all as you go along. So if I say configure here, it says I must visit this link to get the certificate signing request, and then I must visit this link with an Apple to request the certificate, and then upload the certificate here. So that's how you set all that up. And then of course you've got your member dashboard back here, and then your own account where you can manage your SkyBuilder account itself. So we go to app dashboard. We won't create a new app. I'll just show you what I've done. So what you can do is actually add a new version. We'll duplicate this. So if you've got an app that you really like and you just wanted to duplicate it for another keyword or something like that, you just click the duplicate button. Obviously you can delete this. You can preview this app. So I can preview version 1, and here's the preview of my app. I know it's very narcissistic to make an app after myself, but that's what I've done. So let's just go to this. We'll start with the first one, app details, right? So this is when you're creating a new app, for example. I'll go back to app dashboard. So let's just edit this app. Edit version 1. So app details. Now there will be a training video here because I've got review access pre-launch. So I'm shooting this video, but a couple of weeks before launch. So this video isn't available, but it will be available when you buy into the SkyBuilder system. So you give your app an app title, so I've named it after myself. App description. This description will be long and have be keyword optimized. Obviously, if you do niche apps, you should keyword optimize it, know what the keywords are. But just for the sake of brevity, I've put in app description. Then you must upload an app icon. It must be 114 by 114 pixels, a PNG image. So I've done that already. And then I'm creating for platforms. You can choose iPhone, Android, or both. So we'll save and continue. And then it takes you to splash screen, right? So here's a splash screen. This is what the app would look like inside the app. So launch tab title is, I just put my own name, but it can be any word you want really. You upload this launch image, 640 by 960. It's all very easy. It's just sort of you just follow the instructions. Anyone can do it. So then this will be the preview. So once I've uploaded the image and this preview came out, then you click save and continue, and you're happy with that. And then the next one is modules, right? So these are the modules you can have. Niche content. You can have news, which will search for news by keywords. Event will search for by keywords. Twitter, YouTube. These these are the niche content ones. So to actually search for your keyword on these items and actually show them up in the app. So if people are interested in a certain celebrity or subject matter, you just type, that will be your keyword, and it will look for those things in YouTube and display them in the app. Local events, social media accounts. Now this is a bit different. So Twitter here is a bit different to Twitter up here. This is actually my personal social account, Facebook account, YouTube account, my RSS feed. I can put in a photo gallery, but I haven't done that for my own app, but you can do that. Additional information, so you can put in about us tab, location for local businesses or whatever. opening hours, so maybe it's online, any kind of business. I put in my mobile optimized web page. So if you have a mobile optimized web page, you can put it into the app, and basically you can get your app to look like whatever you want, really. And then if you want to monetize it, then you can monetize it with AdMob, AirPush as well, and then Everbadge, so you can sign up for those accounts externally and actually just make ad revenue through your apps. And then you can add WYSIWYG tabs, right? So what you see is what you get. So you can edit those custom. So let's just say save and continue. There it goes to customize the modules, right? So I've customized my Twitter module. I'll show you what I've done is I put in my Twitter username, and then you can choose the icon. Now the icon is really great because you can choose for a lot of things. Look at all these icons you get that you can choose from. There are just so many cool little images here, and they just go on endlessly. So I'm going to keep the Twitter icon for that. The Facebook icon, videos, which is the YouTube, web page, blog. So it's got my RSS feed. My blog is items are in there. And this WYSIWYG one I've just put in, if I customize this, you can just call it something else, like you want, like about me, whatever, and I can put in like content. You can put in HTML, so you can actually switch to HTML, and you can do full HTML editing. So you can literally get this whole body tag to look like anything you want. Then you want an icon, and you can choose an icon, so I can put anything I want. You can even put this globe here if I want. There's my icon, and save and reload will actually show me it in this right hand side here what it's going to look like in the app, right? And then I can make that bold, save and reload, and it's made that text a bit bolder. So you can take these WYSIWYG ones and you can actually make an app that looks like anything. If you know HTML, or you get a coder to do like a custom HTML page for you, literally it's so many possibilities. You can insert images, obviously, hyperlinks, so I can make that go to a link to somewhere. So there's so much you can do. So the module order. So this is where you actually drag and drop the modules. So what order you want them to display in the app. And final preview obviously gives you the final preview. So if this is an iPhone, and somebody is using my app, this is what it's gonna look like. Really, really intuitive. Nice big touchscreen buttons. That's what you need. Big touchscreen buttons. They're very appealing. So there was my Facebook, my YouTube channel. Now obviously the app in the end won't have this scrolly side button here, the side scrolling thing, because it'll be a touch screen. But obviously on the computer screen, which you're doing now, it's not touch screen, so you need that just for the preview. Go to more, go to my about me page. That's the WYSIWYG one we had. My web page. This is my personal mobile optimized website that I have. So I can go to my own blog. Even though I got my blog in RSS in this inside this app, I can have my own blog within the app. Now, obviously, if you can link to a web page, it should be mobile optimized, and my personal web page isn't perfectly mobile optimized. So what you can do is you can continue to build app, and then you can build it. So you can do a preview build. So use this build option for testing a new app prior to release, and then release build. Use this option for building an app that is ready for release, and you can build it in Android or iOS, which is iPhone. And then you can once you built it, you can download it. Yeah. So here's the you can download the app, and then you upload it to the Apple Store, or you upload it to the Android store. Very, very useful. So that is SkyBuilder Cloud. Very, very intuitive to use. Gives just spits out great looking apps. And as I said in the beginning, once I've created this app, say I've created it for a niche product, I can just click this duplicate button and it'll duplicate it instantly, and then I can just go make changes to the duplicate and do that for another keyword or another niche or whatever I want.